So one of the things we want to teach today is how to do finger knitting. I'm here with my daughter Sophie and she's going to show us how to do it. But I just wanted to introduce a little bit about why we might do something like this. So it's always useful to start with a very thick wool. And what you find is when you're using a good quality wool, so like think of a pure wool, not a nylon wool, that's smooth and consistent in its weave, you can create something that's quite enjoyable. So a number of reasons why we might do finger knitting. Often children need something to focus on. This is an activity that can be quite absorbing. It's a mindfulness activity, so when children learn how to do the knit, it requires a lot of focus and a lot of attention to detail, self-mastery, and a huge amount of satisfaction in learning to do something. And we'll show you in future videos there are a whole lot of extension activities which can come out of this. So hopefully you learned something new today. You can always make it fun by singing your favourite song as you weave.
So this is how you do finger knitting. You have to get some wool, and I like to get coloured wool because it blends in and looks really pretty. So first you have to get your wool and try and make this smaller and make, well, not super small, just a little small, and make a loop like that, and make sure you make it big enough to fit your finger in, because you're going to fit your finger in. And then you're going to just wrap it around your finger one time, like this, wrap it. And then you're going to take this back stitch here and pull it over the first stitch. Now you've only got one stitch.
So I notice what you're doing is you're holding on to the small string and you're wrapping the large string over your finger. Do you just want to show us that again?
So you hold, see this string? Hold it with these three fingers, and then wrap it around and pull it over. Then you let go when you pull it, because you're going to pull both of these strings.
Beautiful. Now another thing I noticed is when you first started, is the first time you wrapped it over your string you didn't have a knot, but you just kept going and then you ended up with a knot.
And then it might look like there's a knot, but that's two stitches combined together. So don't do a knot, because when you do that, you can unravel it, because it's a slip knot. There's also this way to knit, but you have to. But because I'm a bit older,
So you do a big hand.
I only put 3 fingers in, and then the other 2 fingers, I hold this little string here. Then you pull it, and then I swap fingers. I do these 2 fingers.
I like that technique. So you put your whole hand through the loop, grab the other string.
I don't put my whole hand because I'm a bit older, my fingers are a bit big. And so I put these 3 top fingers in, and the other 2 I don't put in.
Look how beautiful it is. It's gone from blue to light blue to green to light green to dark green. So that's the beautiful rainbow wool.
There's this other one. This is finished. We only have 2 colours in this. Actually 3. We have this dark reddish pink. Then it goes to this light purple. Then some light pink here. Okay, so I have finished on making my finger knitting. That it is quite long. That's how long it is. So now I'm going to show you how to finish it off. So first you'll need some scissors and you need to cut off this extra string. Then you'll get this, then you get the piece that you cut off and see this loop. Push it to the loop and then hold it tight.